Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to enable Solver in Excel. First, navigate to the File tab in your Excel workbook. From there, you will select Options to open the comprehensive Excel Options dialog box. Next, choose Add-ins from the left-hand navigation pane. This initial step is crucial for accessing the tools needed to activate Solver, a powerful analysis tool. Once you are in the Add-ins section, look towards the bottom of the dialog box. You will see a Manage drop-down menu. It is important to ensure that Excel Add-ins is selected in this drop-down. After confirming your selection, click the Go button located right next to the Manage drop-down. This action will then open a new, smaller dialog box specifically for managing your Excel add-ins. Now, within the Add-ins dialog box, you will see a list of available add-ins. Find Solver add-in in this list and make sure to check the box next to it. This step is essential for activating the tool. After checking the box, simply click the OK button to confirm your selection and close the dialog box. If Solver is not already installed, Excel might prompt you to install it at this point. Congratulations! After successfully activating the Solver add-in, you can now verify its availability. Navigate to the Data tab on your Excel ribbon. Within the Data tab, look for the Analyze group. You will find the Solver button prominently displayed there, indicating it is ready for use. Solver is now fully enabled and prepared to help you with complex optimization problems in your spreadsheets, offering powerful analytical capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.